Welcome to another video tutorial about how to tell which files are eating up your Windows 10 PC storage. Advanced solid-state drives, or SSDs with high capacity, remain out of reach for consumers on tight budgets, so filling up available space on PC hard drives remains a common fear for many folks. When looking at installed drives in Windows Explorer, it's difficult to judge just what is taking up occupied space. Luckily, there are a few handy tools that can help you clear out space. Here's a look at some of them. In order to get your PC prepped and ready for analysis, it's a good idea to run your favorite cleaning tool to clear out the cache and other temporary or unrequired files that are taking up valuable space. Our chosen cleaning suite is CCleaner. Even if you're planning to use Analyzer, we recommend you use a tool like CCleaner to get rid of temporary files and other junk. As noted already, CCleaner from Avast is our favorite when it comes to clearing crap from a PC. Seeing what startup services are set to run, analyzing what's taking up all the spaces on our drives. Not only is the free app great for keeping a PC, laptop, or desktop free from clutter, it also has other neat features including Registry Cleaner, uninstall programs, after startup services, browser plugins, duplicate finder, drive wiper, system software. But that's not all. The software can also help you achieve the goal of this guide with your hard drive. Go to Tools, Disk Analyzer to get started. WinDirStat is another great tool that's available for free. Unlike CCleaner, the team behind this solution hasn't added more features than you require to get this simple job done. Simply fire up the app, which can also be used as a portable tool, and select which drives to scan. WinDirStat will then take its time to carry out its analysis, so feel free to grab a hot beverage and relax. What makes WinDirStat special is how the suite creates an interactive map of drives. Clicking on a section of its map hones in on which file is being presented, allowing for easy filtering to see the files that are taking up the most space. Unfortunately, it can be rather confusing at first and it isn't incredibly intuitive. In fact, we'd like to see the graphical representation or data better organized. It's not available as portable executable, but it can be unofficially downloaded in portable format from the Portable Apps community. Space Sniffer. Should you wish to use another free disk analyzer, Space Sniffer is a great alternative to CCleaner and WinDirStat. If you're having a hard time with WinDirStat's graphical mapping, Space Sniffer's implementation can be easier to read thanks to clear labeling and utilized hierarchy. Multiple drives are displayed using a window per mount location. This keeps it simple when managing more than one storage. Here are some additional software solutions you can try if the following is not what you're searching for. Thank you for watching this video.